Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to learn about structure of virus. So virus structure here, it have a simple morphology. They consist of two parts, core of the nucleic acid, that is DNA or RNA, and the protein coat. It is covered with we call that protein coat as a capsid. The protein coat or capsid is composed of several closely packed morphological units. We call them as a capsomeres. In this respect, viruses differ from typical bacterial cells, which are made up of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, etc. Some viruses have additional membranous envelope containing proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates outside the usual protein coat. They does not have the plasma membrane because they does not have the cell structure. Cell is absent for them. Cell are organisms, so that's why they does not have the plasma membrane. Viruses usually have either DNA or the RNA, whereas the typical cell contains both DNA and RNA. Certain animal viruses like Ross sarcoma virus have both DNA and RNA. Thus, with respect to the nucleic acid, the viruses are of three types: RNA virus, DNA virus, and DNA RNA virus. So, based on that, these are divided. So, here RNA also acting as a genetic material. Plant viruses contain only RNA. Most bacteriophages, that means viruses which will infect the bacteria, contain only DNA. Animal viruses contain DNA or RNA or rarely both. The nucleic acid component of viruses may be composed of either single-stranded or double-stranded RNA or DNA. TMV is a simple rod-shaped helical virus consisting of centrally located single-stranded RNA enveloped by a protein coat, that is tobacco mosaic virus TMV. The rod is composed of 3000 angstroms in the length and about 180 angstroms in the diameter. The protein coat is technically called the capsid. So R. Franklin estimated that. So here if you see the structure, which is a rod-shaped structure, so that contains, according to the Franklin, 2130 subunits, that is capsomeres, are present. So according to him, and centrally located coiled RNA is the genetic material in this. And capsomeres, helical rod, and 49 capsomeres are in every 3 turns of the helix. That would be about 130 turns per rod of the TMV. The diameter of RNA helix is about 80 angstroms and RNA molecule lies about 50 angstroms inward from the outermost surface of the rod. The central core is about 40 angstroms. Each capsomere is a grape-like structure containing about 158 amino acids in it because they are made up of the proteins. So amino acids they are made up of. Next, bacteriophages. Each bacteriophage consists of a nucleic acid genome that enveloped in a protein coat capsid or surrounded by a lipid membrane called an envelope. Its capsid consists of repeating protein subunits known as the protomeres, and it is important in packing the phage genome and transfer of genome into the host cell. Bacteriophages contains only one type of the nucleic acid molecule, which is either DNA or RNA, but not both. So mostly they contain the DNA actually, or both, either one RNA or DNA they present. Its genome may also exist as a single-stranded or double-stranded one, and they can also in the circular or the linear form. In general, the bacteriophages is structurally complex, containing head, tail, collar, and other components they contain. So they are divided into head region. So where in the head region protein coat as well as DNA is present inside that, and they contains the tail part, tail protein only, and it is covered with a tail sheath, and they contains the tail fibers to infect the bacteria. They have to bind with that, so they contain the tail fibers they contains. So and also other components like these are present to attach with the other host organism. So that's why here mostly 6 tail fibers are present. Many different types of the bacteriophages are present. Tail fiber number will differs in that. So collarbone, in between the head and the tail there is a collar thing is present. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.